Is that octopus that? Oh, that?
No man, look at the way car.
Baby.
An octopus.
Do that laugh alright. Let me see it look like one. Like a baby.
Then I'll be it.
The fisher come in.
Sprat. I beat this man.
The fisherman that just came in. Yeah, you just catch these.
Yeah.
I'm pretty, sir.
Yeah.
Couple of those, curry steam fish and one ketchup steam fish. Rinse these off with a little white vinegar and just wash these off properly. This is our fish. Today I'm gonna make for you curried steamed fish. So this is it's about a pound. 1 pound of snapper fish. This is frozen right now, so I'm just start defrosting it. So we're gonna use a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of curry powder, a medium-sized onion, a stack of scallion, 1 stack. This is a stack, so about 2 stacks of scallion. In springtime, a teaspoon of pimento berries dried, a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of dried parsley and dried basil, a dozen okra, carrot, 2 small tomatoes, and optional, just like a 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary or fresh, a Scotch bonnet pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, a tablespoon to tablespoon and a half of salt, sea salt preferred, a piece of ginger, and 6 to 8 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's see if I can start get some of the seasoning going. So peel the onion, take this layer off, just this layer. Scallion, strip off the bad leaves and then cut the ends. We'll rinse this. Supermarket already cut the ends for me. Garlic. Let's peel these. And mash them like this. What I use is the back of the knife and this on a flat surface. Alright, I rinse this. Slice the garlic. Piece of ginger. See about one index finger. To the size of one index finger. Just clean it off properly. You can leave some of the skin, just clean it off properly. Alright, that's that. Just rinse it off. And this now. Just clean this off. This is local carrot. Local carrot, different than the foreign carrot. Foreign carrots are big. Just put this aside. For the herbs, we don't add the herbs while it stews. The thyme stick and your pimento berry. Add those. Alright, just cover it. Alright, you know what? Like I'm waiting. This is what I want you to do with the carrot. Just gonna make little strips. If you have that orange peeler or even the grater, you can use that. But the point is to get the strips. The idea. Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make curried steamed fish. Alright, this is my fish defrosting. Alright, if you want fresh fish that's caught from the sea the same day, I'm gonna give you a spot. It's in Kingston downtown, right between Portmore bus stop and the train station. Right in that old building. Just ask for Doc or Rodney and tell them that Ross Miguel sent you, and you get a discount. I already told him that you all will be coming. Alright, this is defrosting. Alright, before I forget, I'm not gonna marinate this today, but you can also put, when it's defrost, put the seasoning in and allow it to marinate for like 20 minutes or so, or overnight. Refrigerated. If it's gonna be overnight, like if it's for more than 24 hours, freeze it. If it's less than 24 hours, like 12 hours, you don't have to freeze it, just put it in a fridge box. This I didn't buy from him today because it's raining. There's a lot of thunder, lightning out sea, so they didn't go to sea this week. So I need to get this recipe going, so I just decided to buy these in the supermarket, which cost me a lot more. This is just about fit. This should be defrost by now. See what I was telling you about the eyes? This is frozen. Now look, it's not fogged. It's fresh. See? Fresh. Alright, just clean this out properly. It's a bit old, but it's okay. Some white vinegar. See, this is already clean. It's already scaled. This is a parrot. Let's wash this pot clean now. The salt now. It's about a tablespoon and a half. You see, I find that if you don't rub the fish down with salt, the fish will taste kind of fresh. So you gotta rub it down with salt and put salt inside. Put to eat a frying pot for stewing, or a stewing pot big enough to hold the fish. Put the stove gauge on medium high for now, and then we can the ginger garlic. Don't burn the curry, but you gotta allow the pot to dry. While you wait, just cut the heads of the okra and the tip and dice them in cubes about an inch, like this inch. Put it aside. Alright, once the pot is dried, add curry, a tablespoon or two. Alright, you can use it. A tablespoon will be good, and a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons also good. But don't use no more than 2. Don't use 3. Let's use a fork. Let's kind of burn the curry. Get your oil ready. The pot is really hot, so it's gonna burn quick. So it's changing in front of your face. This is burning the curry. Burn it, but don't let it get black. Add oil, about 2 tablespoons. Add water, 1 cup and a half. Now add the fish. seasoning on top. Alright, this is curried fish, so you're probably gonna eat it with rice or anything like that, so you want the gravy. If you were using, oh, this pot is big too, so that's why I have to use 2 cups. If you were using a smaller pot, you could get away with a cup. We're gonna add herbs. And parsley. Turn the stove gauge on low right now. Sprinkle it over it. And the dried basil. And sprinkle it over it. And because I want to spruce the taste up some, I'm gonna add like a pinch sage. Fresh one, you just put it on top. Alright, so you just cover it and put the stove gauge on low and allow it to simmer. Accustomed to not using butter, I forgot the butter. Anyway, you can get away with using this without butter, you know. Add the butter right on top. Just cover it. Make sure the fishes emerge. Just cover it and let it simmer. Allow simmering. If you have tender okra, you can add the okra like 8 minutes just to the end. So I'm just gonna add them now, because them one here kinda just cover it. That's after that's like 3 to 4 minutes. Cover it properly. Look at this. See why you gotta be careful. This is how it should look. Ish. This one is bad too. Me I wonder now. I just wanna see. Alright then. Pepper. Pepper, little white vinegar. It's 8 minutes now. Just kind of flip them. I'm gonna wait later for the carrot because I don't want the carrot to be soft. So you can add the carrot. You can add the carrot at the end, or you can add it like a minute or two to the end. So that's 8 minutes. And we're gonna go for 12 minutes. Point. These are small fishes, so you steam them for 12 minutes. If they were larger fish, you would steam it for 15, 18 minutes the most. Alright, 10 minutes. Sprinkle your carrot. I could have just used 1 cup of water, because these are small fishes. But I want the gravy, because I'm gonna eat it with rice. What I would have loved to have done was burn the curry, add the oil, and then fry the fish on both sides for a little while. But as you saw, I didn't use plenty oil because I didn't want to have plenty oil in the meal, because this is steamed fish, not fish boiling oil. Alright, it's 12 minutes. Turn it off. It's finished. Must have finished. In fact, it probably finished 2 minutes ago. Because these are small fish. The steam will finish cook it and soak up the flavor and so forth. So that's what it look like. I always say it's better to have more gravy than less. Because one of the things I don't like to do is add water to cooking food. You should know how much water you want to add. Taste it. Very flavorful. And that's that leaf. It's not much water leaf. Curried steamed fish. I'm looking in the okra to see. So this is what you want. Is have the curry flavor. The gravy is not gonna be thick. It's gonna be thin like this. Oh, I'm happy I remember. When I was growing up as a teenager, a friend of mine, we were friends. A group of us were like best friends. And about three of them, mom, she didn't eat meat, so she only ate fish. And she was the first person I heard of curry fish. And from that day on, I've been cooking curry fish. I don't steam it. I kind of stew fry it down like. That lady was very good to me. Very good. Her name was Miss Lisa. I wonder what she's doing. If any of her children watching this, what's up? What's up? And Lisa, what? I wonder how you look now. And I remember your brothers. Every day I think about your brothers. But I'm afraid. And my driving skill that I have, I'm driving awesome. And it's because of them. Alright, this is my fish. I must say it's spicy for one. And it tastes so nice, trust me. Curry fish is nice. A lot of people say, I didn't know you can curry fish. Yeah, you can curry fish. Trust me, I've been eating it a long time. I guess I used to say that too anyway, so this is good. I just decided to eat it with bread. Very nice. You know when it's nice? You take a piece of the fish and then dip it in the gravy and you gotta eat this slowly and be careful of the bones. Like that. You see why the gravy is important. Oh yeah, so when you hot it up now, like if you're gonna warm it up, and with the okra, the gravy is gonna get thicker. So it's good to have more than less. A little bit more, not whole it more. And this gravy is healthy. It's not don't have that much oil in it. It don't have that much butter in it. Just mainly water and flavor. I don't like fish head. Sorry. Alright. So good I had to go get some more gravy. A piece more fish. This is nice. This curry have a nice flavor. Curry is the only thing that everybody eat. Every nation eat curry. English people eat curry. Some Americans eat curry. Caribbean people eat curry. Africans. South Americans. India. Especially India. Lord, that them invent it. Well, thumbs up to you, India. Some percentage of me is Indian, you know. Lost that generation somewhere down the line. I wish I didn't though. My great grandfather was a living Indian. When I saw him, my father's father, I was shocked because I didn't know. But he was like a living Indian. This is later on in the night and I'm feeling a little different. It enhances libido. I like sex life. It enhances the sex drive for both male and female. Whatever is in the okra and the rich oil, mega, 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 mega oil. You know the oils, rich oils that fish carry. That's good for your brain. And all of that mix thing when this curried steamed fish enhances the sex drive. Enhances the sex drive for both male and female. You know what? I would say the curry too, because curry is turmeric, and turmeric thin, thin, turmeric make the blood thinner. So the blood thinner, you run faster to your blood, so you know your mood would increase more faster. I would think. I don't know, really. I'm just using two senses, you know. Oh, it just came to me. Omega 3. I thought it was Mega 300, but it's Omega 3.